Hello children, this is Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Students, we have already started with our 15th chapter, that is angle. We have come across about different types of angles, about special pairs of angles, then the unit of measurement of angle, which is the degree, and how we can measure the line segment with the help of ruler as well as with the help of divider and ruler. We have also done with the exercise 15.1 where we have come across with the complementary angles, supplementary angles, linear angles, and you have already gone through your acute, obtuse angle, then your straight angle, etc. Okay, and then you have done the problem accordingly, and also you have done the problem about the hands of clock. Okay, so this was the uh, problems that you have done, and also in exercise 15.2 we have done up to question number 3 where you have to measure the line segments with the help of ruler as well as divider and ruler. Okay, so today in this video we will learn the next topic, that is measurement of an angle. Okay, so measurement of an angle we are going to learn, as well as we have to learn how we can get the required angle by by doing the sum as well as difference between the degrees. Okay, so just see here about the measurement of angle, that is unit for measuring an angle is degree, what you have already learned, which is denoted by, see the symbol over here, small o, isn't it? Small o is the symbol, and that should be written above the number. Okay, whatever number is there, you have to write this symbol above it. You have already done this. The angle made by a ray, say OA, while completing a rotation around the vertex O is 360 degrees. Now you can see that how we have written 360 degree. Okay, and this is read as 360 degrees. When we divide 360 degree into 360 equal part, now if you want to divide this whole rotation, can you see this 360 degree? So whole rotation, if you want to divide in 360 parts, that is each part will be of 1 degree. Okay, so each part will be of 1 degree. Now if 1 degree you have to divide it in equal parts, then it will give you 60 equal parts, and that is called as minute. Okay, and it is denoted by single prime, that is here. If 1 is and above that the symbol is written, it is read as 1 minute. Okay, now 1 minute is further divided into 60 equal parts, and that each part is denoted by a second. Okay, and how the symbol is of 2 primes, that is like this. So one complete rotation turn is equal to 360 degree, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now students, you can see that I have given the symbols. So this is your degree symbol, this is your 1 prime, that is called as 1 prime, and this symbolizes your minute, and here you can get this 2 primes, so that is your second. Okay, so I have given one example. like this. So it is read as 1 degree 1 minute 1 second. ठीक है. सो जैसे ही आप एक प्राइम डालोगे यहाँ पे तो वो हो जाता है आपका मिनट, यहाँ पे हो जाता है 2 प्राइम डाला है इसीलिए यहाँ पे आपका ये सेकंड है. ठीक है. सो बेस्ड ऑन योर डिग्री मिनट एंड सेकेंड्स वी विल डू द sums where you have to find the angles, okay, with a certain magnitude. Now you can see that the example is given to you, that is find the angle whose magnitude is 10 degree 15 minutes 30 seconds smaller than the magnitude of the angle 120 degree 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Now see here how we have done the required to find out the required angle. This is the subtraction procedure. So this subtraction procedure you need to learn. Okay. So we will go for this type of sums in your exercise 15.2. Before that, we will again go for one more topic. The topic is use of protractor to measure an angle. So in your previous topic you have measured the length of your line segments. Now here you need to measure the angles using your geometrical instrument, that is protractor. See the spelling, protractor. Okay. So protractor is a geometrical instrument which is used for measuring and constructing angles. Okay. So it has already inner scale and outer scale. I have already told you about this. Okay. And you can see the inner scale is used when the angles are opening on the right hand side, and the outer scale is used when the angles are opening on your left hand side. So you have to measure the angles whatever is given to you with the help of protractor. So please take your instrument box so that we can go for exercise 15.2. Students, we have already done the first, second and third question of exercise 15.2 in your previous video. So today we will start with our fourth problem of exercise 15.2, that is to solve. So you have the sum that you have to solve it, and while solving these problems you need to be very attentive. आपको बहुत ध्यान देना है कि ये सम्स मैं कैसे आपको सिखा रही हूँ, क्योंकि ये यूजुअल जो एडिशन का सम है और सब्ट्रैक्शन का सम है उससे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. इसीलिए you should be attentive and you should solve the problem along with me. Okay. So if you are clear about the how to do the addition and subtraction of these degrees, minute and seconds, that will be very easy for you. Okay. If you learn it properly, it will be a very easy problem. Okay. So we will start with question number 4 to solve the problem. So we have here, see, first and second is your addition, third and fourth is your subtraction. Okay. So we will start our exercise 15.2 with fourth problem. Students, we will start with our fourth problem, that is solve. Okay. Now see, I have written the question and I have also written that we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. So this is your information what you have to follow when you go for the sum. Okay. So we will start. So just write this so that you can see the necessary things what you require. Okay, so we will start with the problem. Now see, I have written the numbers as per, see यहाँ पे दोनों डिग्री लिखा है, दोनों मिनट के पोजीशन पे लिखा है और दोनों सेकंड के पोजीशन में लिखा है। ठीक है, तो ये आपका सम है। तो देखिए मैंने इसको वर्टिकल वे में लिख लिया है। ये 25 डिग्री है, ये 30 डिग्री है। देखिए 18 और 50 वो भी मैंने लिख लिया है, 50 and 45. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग। ओके, नाउ सी हियर 50 plus 45 becomes 95 seconds. Okay, so 95, it becomes as 95 seconds. Now what we will do is we will break this 95 into 60 seconds plus 35 seconds. देखिए मैंने इसको 95 को ब्रेक कर दिया है 60 सेकेंड्स में और 35 सेकेंड्स में। क्यों ये ब्रेक मैंने किया है? बिकॉज वी नो दैट 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so we can take this seconds here. ओके, ये सेकेंड्स को हम मिनट बना के इसके साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव टेकन। नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू इज this 60 seconds becomes your 1 minute 35 seconds. ठीक है, now देखिए मैंने कैसे लिख दिया। 60 seconds का बदले में मैंने 1 minute लिख दिया और यहाँ पे 35 seconds वैसे कि वैसे ही लिखा है। तो यहाँ का जो सम होगा वो क्या होगा? सिर्फ 35 seconds. ओके, सो हियर यू विल हैव 35 seconds यहाँ पे। ठीक है, और ये जो 1 minute है ये हम इधर लेके चले जाएंगे। ठीक है, सो वी विल टेक दिस 1 minute हियर। ओके, सो हियर वी हैव 1 minute। ठीक है, 1 minute को इधर लेके आ गए। नाउ जस्ट ऐड इट, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus यहाँ पे 1 plus 5 is 69. ओके, नाउ दिस बिकम्स योर 69 minute। यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? मिनट हो गया। ठीक है, अभी इसको फिर ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे। ब्रेक डाउन करने के बाद क्या होगा? देखिए 60 minute plus 90 minute, 9 minute, सॉरी 60 minute plus 9 minute। अब 60 minute क्या होता है? 60 minute तो 1 डिग्री होता है। सो ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? 1 डिग्री 9 minutes। ओके, तो यहाँ का जो आपका आंसर होगा वो होगा 9 minute। तो यहाँ पे जो आंसर आपने लिखा है वो आपका 9 minute हो जाएगा। ठीक है, ये 9 minute आपका आंसर है। और ये जो 1 डिग्री यहाँ पे है दैट विल बी टेकन हियर। Okay, that will be taken here. So please write here carry as 1 degree. Okay, carry as 1 degree. So clear? फिर अभी वापस से इनको ऐड कर लीजिए। 1 plus 5 is 6, so write down 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So here it becomes your 56 degree. तो अभी डिग्री में आंसर क्या हो गए आपके? ये। ठीक है, क्योंकि आगे हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं। सो अभी आपका फाइनल आंसर क्या होगा? आपका फाइनल आंसर आपको लिखना पड़ेगा ऐसे करके कि 25 डिग्री 18 minutes 50 seconds प्लस 30 डिग्री 50 minutes 45 seconds इज इक्वल टू, अब मैंने रेड स्क्वायर में जो जो नंबर्स लिखे हैं वो नंबर्स आप लिख दोगे। 56 डिग्री 9 minutes 35 seconds। ठीक है, देखिए ये ये ये। ओके, सो दिस विल बी योर आंसर। ये आपका आंसर है। ठीक है, सो यू कैन राइट द आंसर एज 56 डिग्री 9 मिनट्स 35 सेकेंड्स। ठीक है, ना वापस से मैं आपको समझा देती हूँ। सबसे पहले आप चार्ट लिखोगे, 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स, 1 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 60 seconds. Now what you will do, these 2 seconds place you will add it. What you are getting? You are getting 95 degree. Then what you want to do, you have to break it, because you want to have 60 seconds plus 35 seconds, because 60 seconds can be made into 1 minute. Okay, सो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया आपका 60 सेकेंड 1 मिनट हो गया, और यहाँ पे 35 सेकेंड्स हो गए। अब जो 1 मिनट है हम यहाँ पे इसको कैरी करके लेकर आए हैं। कैरी करके लेकर आने के बाद यहाँ पे क्या लेफ्ट ओवर होता है, 35 सेकेंड्स। नाउ एज वी कैरी ओवर दिस, वी आर गेटिंग 8 plus 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, then 1 plus 5 is 6, again 69. Again we can break it into 60 minute plus 9 minute. Now 60 minute is nothing but 1 degree, so 1 degree 9 minutes. So this 1 degree is carried over to the next position of degree, and here you are left with your 9 minutes. ठीक है, then as you get your 1 degree here, you have to again add it. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 56 degree. So your answer becomes 56 degree 9 minute 35 seconds. Okay, so इस तरह से आपको addition करना है। ठीक है, so we will go for the next one. Now see students, the second problem, again it is the addition. So again I have written the question, and we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. That I have written. I have written the numbers in the particular positions, that is degree under degree, minute under minute, and seconds under second. Okay, so I have arranged the numbers accordingly. Now again we will start with our addition. फिर से हम addition seconds के position से start करेंगे. So again you have 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 plus 5 is again 8. So you get what? 88 seconds. Now this can be broken down into 60 seconds plus, और 88 कितने में आएगा, देखिए 28. आप कहोगे बार बार 60 क्यों ले रहे, क्योंकि हमको 60 का यहाँ पे मालूम है, मतलब 60 डिग्री 60 मिनट 60 सेकेंड्स, ये जो है ये हमारा ऑलरेडी गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन है। ठीक है, तो गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन 60 में है, इसीलिए हम इसको हमेशा 60 में ब्रेक डाउन कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो 60 plus 28 विल गिव यू व्हाट, 88। ठीक है, नाउ 60 plus 28 कर लिया, तो अभी आपका ये क्या हो जाएगा, आप देखिए 1 मिनट हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे आपका आ जाएगा 28 सेकेंड्स। सो आपका सेकेंड्स के कॉलम में आंसर आएगा 28 सेकेंड्स। सो जस्ट मेक द स्क्वायर, ये देखिए। ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, दिस 1 मिनट इज टेकन हियर, 1 मिनट यहाँ पे लेकर आप आ गए हैं। ठीक है, तो ये 1 मिनट को फिर इस मिनट के पोजीशन में ऐड कर दीजिए, तो यहाँ आ गया आपका 3 और यहाँ आ गया आपका 7. So this becomes your 73 minutes. So again you can break it off, 60 minute plus 13 minutes, isn't it? 16 minutes plus 30 minutes. Now 60 minute will become what? 1 degree, and here it becomes 13 minutes. So answer will come as 13 minutes. Okay, so make the answer prominent. Yes, highlight the answer. So this 1 degree will be taken here. ये 1 डिग्री आपको ऊपर लेकर जाना है डिग्री के पोजीशन में, देख लीजिए. Then here you become 161 degree. Okay, so your answer is, this is your degree answer. So you can write the answer as, see, ऐसे हमने लिख लिया है 10 degree 50 minutes 55 plus. So your final answer is, see the boxes, 161 degree, here 13 minutes, here 28 seconds. So answer is 161 degree 13 minutes 28 seconds. Okay, so like this you have to go for the addition of degree, seconds and minute. Okay, so 161 degree 13 minutes and 28 second is the answer. ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ पे कैसे हम लोग करते हैं, सेकेंड्स के प्लेस में से हम लोग एडिशन करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. फिर हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो भी नंबर यहाँ मिलता है उसको ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं. एक नंबर 60 होता है, दूसरा अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर गिवन यू हैव टू make it. Okay, now 2 numbers will give you 88. Now this 60 will again may be made into minutes. ठीक है, so this is how you do the addition. Now we will move to subtraction. Now students, we will move to the next question, that is C, and you can see that this is subtraction. Okay, so again you need to write this, then you just arrange the numbers accordingly to your places. So you can see 200 degree 22 minutes, here no seconds are there, that is why I have written 0 seconds. Okay, now next number is 180 degree 15 minutes 20 seconds, so I have written accordingly. Okay, now again this problem has another type of method. Okay, now what is that method, so please look to it. Now you can see 0 and 20, so 20 cannot be subtracted from 0, isn't it? So what we will do is, we will borrow 1 minute from minute column. Okay, and we will take that minute into seconds. Okay, so as you can see, this we can take 1 minute, that is this becomes your 21, and here you get 1 minute extra. Okay, 1 minute, as you get the 1 minute here you have borrowed, so this 1 minute becomes your 60 seconds. जो 1 मिनट हमने यहाँ से लिया था, यहाँ पे यहाँ से 1 मिनट लिया था, तो वो क्या बन गया, 1 मिनट इज इक्वल टू कितना, 60 seconds. Okay, now what we will do, we will subtract 60 from 20 from 60, that is very easy for you. अभी 60 minus 20 क्या करोगे आप, तो 60 minus 20 becomes your 40. ठीक है, तो 60 minus 20 is your 40. Now what happens here, here you have 21 minutes, तो ये बन जाता है आपका 21 minutes. ठीक है, तो ये 21 minutes minus 15, that can be easily done. So 21 minus 15 is your 6 minutes. Okay, now 200 minus 180 is your 20 degree. So what we have done here, that 20 cannot be subtracted from 0, that is why we have borrowed 1 minute from minute section to your second section. So 1 minute is nothing but 60 second. That is why यहाँ पे 22 से कट करके 21 लिख दिया, क्योंकि 1 मिनट को यहाँ पे हमने बोरो कर लिया था. So that 60 seconds minus 27 seconds can be easily subtracted. So this becomes your 40 seconds, and 21 minus 15 is your 6 minutes, and 200 minus 180 is 20 degree. So your answer is 20 degree, 6 minutes, 40 seconds. Okay, answer is 20 degree, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, so please be careful here. Okay, so next we will move to the fourth question, that is D. Now students, see the next, that is D. So you have 165 degree 35 minutes 45 seconds minus 105 degree 55 seconds. Okay, you don't have any minute number. So just see, I have written. Now you don't have any minute digit, that is why I have replaced it with 0. Okay, so 0 minute 55 seconds. Now again we will start with our usual subtraction. So again you can see that here 55 cannot be subtracted from 45 seconds. That is why you need to borrow. So if you cut this will become 34 minutes, and 1 minute will go here, and that 1 minute will be your 60 seconds. Okay, so 60 seconds plus 45 become, now see here, यहाँ पे एक 60 आ गया और ये 45 ऑलरेडी है, तो 60 plus 45 seconds कितना हो जाता है? 60 plus 45 will become your 105 seconds. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया आपका? 105 seconds, क्योंकि यहाँ से हमने बोरो किया था 1 minute. 1 minute as we have borrowed, it becomes 60 seconds. So 60 seconds plus 45 seconds, here you have 105 seconds. Now 55 can be easily subtracted from 105. So 105 minus 55 is your 50 seconds. ठीक है, 50 seconds हो गए यहाँ पे. अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? 34 minutes minus 0 minutes. तो 34 minutes remains as 34 minutes. Okay, and here you have 165 minus 105. So here you will have 5 minus 5 0, and 6 minus 0 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. So your answer becomes 60 degree 34 minutes and 50 seconds. So answer is 60 degree 34 minutes and 55 seconds. So please be careful here. Okay, what happened here? We cannot subtract 55 from 45. That is why we have borrowed 1 minute this side, and 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds. So 60 seconds plus 45 seconds is giving you 105 seconds. So 105 minus 55 is your 50 degree. Okay, 50 seconds. Okay, now here already you have taken 1 minute, that is why it becomes 34 minutes. So 34 minus 0 is 34 minute, and then 165 degree minus 105 degree gives you 60 degree. So your final answer is 60 degree 34 minutes 50 seconds. Okay, so this is how you have to do the addition and subtraction using your degree, minute and seconds. So please go through all these questions, because you need to be very much attentive and you need to practice this sum. ओके तो मैंने जैसे आपको धीरे धीरे बताया है, आप वो उसको ध्यान से सुने और आप इन सम्स को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए. आपके एक्सरसाइज में भी बुक के जो एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं वो भी आप सॉल्व करके देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now you can see the fifth question here. What is the magnitude of an angle which is 20 degree 30 seconds less than the sum of angles 72 degree 50 minutes 56 minutes 40 seconds and 180 degree 24 minutes 33 seconds? Okay, so this is the question where you have to go for addition as well as your subtraction. Okay, so here what you will do, the sum of means this and this you have to add, then you have to subtract this number. ओके तो पहले आप ये और ये नंबर का आप एडिशन करोगे और उसके बाद आप जो भी उसका सम आएगा आप ये नंबर उससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. तो ये जो सम है इसमें आपको एडिशन भी करना है और सब्ट्रैक्शन भी करना है. तो चलिए हम ये सम करते हैं सॉल्व. Now see, these two numbers are given to you where you have to find out the sum. इन दोनों नंबर्स का आपको एडिशन करना है. सो एडिशन करेंगे स्टार्ट. सो यू हैव 0 and 3, that is 3, and here 4 and 3 is your 73 seconds. Okay, so 73 seconds can be broken down into 60 seconds and 13 seconds. Okay, so 60 seconds means 1 minute plus 13 minutes. So here your answer in seconds position is 13 seconds. Okay, now see here 13 seconds. Okay, now move to your minutes position. So this 1 minute will be taken here. So this will become your 1 minute. So 1 plus 6 plus 4 becomes your 11. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this becomes your 81 minute. Okay, so 81 minute can again be broken down into 60 minute plus how much, 21 minute. Okay, 60 plus 21. So here you have 1 degree plus 21 minutes. Okay, now only 21 minutes is your final answer in your minute column. Okay, and this 1 degree you have to take it here. 1 degree को यहाँ पर आपको लेकर आना है. तो this becomes your 3, then 5 and 2. So 253 degree. ठीक है. So your final answer becomes how much? Final answer is 72 degree 56 minutes 40 seconds plus 180 degree 24 minutes 33 seconds will give you 253 degree 21 minutes 13 seconds. Okay, so this is your sum. ओके तो देखिए, तो ये हमारा हो गया सम. अब क्या करना है, अब ये सम से हमको 20 डिग्री 30 मिनट्स को माइनस करना है. ठीक है, सो वी विल डू दैट. सो वी विल स्टार्ट हियर. 253 डिग्री 21 seconds 13 minutes minus 20 degree and 30 minutes. Okay, 20 degree 30 minutes, and here you need to write 0 minute. Now see here, subtraction is there. Subtraction means you have to borrow. You have to borrow. That means if you cancel this, इसको आप कैंसिल करोगे तो यहाँ 20 मिनट्स हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा आपका 1 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा, दैट इज 60 सेकेंड प्लस 13 मिनट्स. ओके, सो डोंट कैंसिल दिस. सो यू आर बोरोइंग. ठीक है, so let us write here 60. seconds. Okay, now 60 plus 13 seconds. So here you have 60 plus 13. 60 plus 13 is 73 seconds. Okay, now 73 minus 30. 73 minus 30 is 343 seconds. ठीक है, now here you have 0, so 20 minutes minus 0 will give you 20 minutes. Okay, and your this thing will be 3. 5 minus 2 is again 3, and your answer. Okay, so this is your final answer. So this is your final answer. You have to the sum of these two numbers, and then you have the subtraction of this sum and minus the number you have been given. So the difference is this. So you can write the answer as this way: required magnitude of angle. So this is your sum and this is your difference. So you have already solved it. आपने पहले जो सॉल्व किया है उसका नेक्स्ट नीचे आपको ये लिखना पड़ेगा. सो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, ये दोनों को प्लस करके इसका माइनस. सो ये जो सम है और डिफरेंस है ऑलरेडी यू हैव टू learn. Okay, so I have already given you that thing, and so the answers I have written, and you get the final answer as this. Okay, so required magnitude of angle is, answer you can write as required magnitude of angle is 233 degree 20 minutes 43 seconds. Okay, so this is your final answer. So with this we will move to 6th question. Now students, we will come to question number 6, where you have to measure the following angles using a protractor. So see, this is the protractor what we have to use. आप देख पा रहे हो, inner scale है और outer scale है. Okay, so we will just, whenever the mouth of the angle is open to right hand side, you have to use the inner scale, and when it is open at the left hand side you have to use the outer scale. Now see, all the mouths are open in the right hand side. So what we will do is we will place. देखिए मैं place कर रही हूँ first का. Now can you see, यहाँ पे जो point है B का, मैंने उसमें देखिए मैंने place कर दिया protractor, और then we will move. देखिए यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे arrow है, then we will go here and we find that this coincide with 22 degree. Okay, So we will write here 22 degree. ठीक है, फिर सेकेंड में चलिए, फिर अगेन यू पुट इट द वर्टेक्स बीच में. ओके, as you put it in a straight line, see, now you can see the arrow, it is coinciding with 60. आप देख पा रहे हो 60 है, so write down here 60 degree. Okay, now move to your third figure. Again place the protractor like this. ठीक है, so as you have placed it, you can see the arrow. ये देखिए थोड़ा सा एरो आपका 120 से आगे जा रहा है. So this is your 122 degree. ओके, सो आप इसको ठीक से मेजर कीजिए और आप ये डिग्रीज लिख दीजिए. ओके, देन we will move to D1. Now see D, left side the angle is opened, that is why we have to use the outer scale here. So please again place the protractor. Now see, I have placed it. देखिए, तो अब मैं ऊपर वाला स्केल दूंगी, 50 नहीं, मैं ऊपर वाला स्केल दूंगी, that is 130 degree. You can see that this angle is obtuse angle. ये obtuse angle है, इसीलिए ये 50 डिग्री नहीं हो सकता है. तो ये कैसे रहेगा, ये 90 से ज़्यादा रहेगा, इसीलिए हमको अपर स्केल को देखना है. Okay, now see here again, this is your right side open. ओके, नाउ हियर यू कैन सी दैट, यहाँ पे देखिए हम लोग को हर इसमें इंटीरियर में एंगल का साइन दिया हुआ था, बट यहाँ देखिए आउटसाइड दिया हुआ है. तो व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल जस्ट मेजर द इनसाइड पार्ट. तो ऐसे करके हम इनसाइड पार्ट देख लेंगे. सो नाउ यू कैन सी, ये देखिए ये एरो 50 में कोइंसाइड हो रहा है, तो ये हो गया आपका 50 डिग्री. और आपको ये पार्ट निकालना है, तो ये पार्ट निकालोगे तो कैसे निकालोगे, 360 माइनस 50 डिग्री. सो दिस विल गिव यू 310 डिग्री. तो ये वाला जो पार्ट है, दिस बिकम्स योर 310 डिग्री. ठीक है, फिर आप यहाँ पे आइए. यहाँ भी आप ऐसे इसको रख लीजिए. Now what you can see is this gives you how much, 160. So ये देखिए ये 160 डिग्री है और आपको ये निकालना है. So again 360 minus 160 will give you 200 डिग्री. तो ये वाला पार्ट आपका 200 डिग्री है. ओके, so here answer will be 310 degree and here answer will be 200 degree. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे आपको करके दिखाना है. और यहाँ पे जो फिगर्स था इसमें आपको इंटीरियर मेजरमेंट दिया गया था, इसीलिए आपको ऐसे प्रॉब्लम करने नहीं पड़े. एंड वाई वी हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड दिस फ्रॉम 360, बिकॉज द सर्कुलर एंगल इज योर 360 डिग्री. सो 360 minus 50 is giving you 310. Here also 360 minus 160 is give you 200 degree. Okay, now the seventh question is construct the following angles using a protractor. So you need to construct these angles. आपको डिग्री दिया गया है, आपको ये एंगल्स कंस्ट्रक्ट करने हैं. तो मैं आपको ये फर्स्ट वाला करके दिखाती हूँ, आप rest of the sums you can easily do. So आपका 7th में है, first thing is 12 degree. So see, I have made a ray and what I have to do is I have to place the protractor accordingly. Now देखिए मैं यहाँ पे protractor को placing करती हूँ. ठीक है। अभी आपको क्या करना है, 12 डिग्री पे लाना है। तो यहाँ आप देख पा रहे हो 10 है, फिर यहाँ पे आपको मिलीमीटर दिख रहा है 1 and 2. So here is your 12 degree. So just mark with your पेंसिल। आप नोटबुक में करोगे तो आपको इजी हो जाएगा। मैं इसमें ऐसे, ठीक है। तो ये आपका हो गया 12 डिग्री। तो यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे करके यहाँ पे 12 डिग्री लिखना पड़ेगा। मैं मार्कर से कर रही हूँ इसीलिए ये ज़रा थिक आया है। आप पेंसिल से, फाइन नीड पेंसिल से करोगे तो आपका ये जो फिगर्स है वो आपके अच्छे आ जाएंगे, ठीक है। तो ऐसे आपको रखना है। तो आपको पहले क्या करना है, एक लाइन सेगमेंट बनाना है ऐसे, इसी तरह से, और फिर यहाँ पे ऐसे प्लेसिंग करके आपको जो भी डिग्री दिया है, जैसे आपको भी नेक्स्ट है 26, तो आप 20 पे जाइए, 25 पे जाइए, 26 यहाँ आ रहा है, ठीक है। सो आप इसको ऐसे ज्वाइन कर दीजिए, ठीक है। ऐसे ज्वाइन कर देंगे तो ये आपका आ जाएगा 26 डिग्री, ठीक है। तो इस तरह से आप हर एक जो भी डिग्रीज दिए हुए हैं उसका आप एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करोगे, ठीक है। सो आपका प्रोट्रैक्टर जो है उसमें आपका जो प्रिंटिंग है वो प्रॉपर होना चाहिए। वो यदि मिट गया है सब नंबर्स तो आप नया एक प्रोट्रैक्टर खरीद लीजिए और उससे आप जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन है वो कीजिए। Okay, so with this we complete off with exercise 15.2, rather to say we completed off with both the exercise. Now we will move to mental maths. Now see, this type of questions are again there. So on doing this type of question you should be very much careful about the position what you are getting the numbers. That is, if you are getting the numbers above 60, that means you need to see whether you can convert that thing into the next number. That is, if 70 seconds are there, you can convert it into 1 minute 10 seconds. Okay, so likewise you are going to do this problem. Again you have been given with figures, place the protractor and you find out the measurement of these angles. Again here you have been told to draw the angles measuring these degrees, okay. And you have again the adjoining figures over there. You need to find out which one is the acute angle, which one is obtuse angle, which one is right angle. This type of question we have already done. Then you have the numbers. A bicycle wheel takes 3.5 turns. Find the number of right angle. So these things you have to imagine how it is rotating and just find out how many are there, and you see the answer whether it is correct or not. Okay, so then you have these arms or the hands of a clock, that also is giving you certain angles. See, this is your straight angle, this is right angle, then this is your full circle, this is your how much, 360 minus 90 it will be. Okay, so this way you need to do. And see, here also you have the plus and minus of your degrees, minutes and second. Okay, so this way you need to go for all the questions. So try to solve these problems of your own. Okay, so this is your practice time. So practice all these problems, whatever you know. Try to find out the solution of all the problems. Okay, so please practice this exercise too. It is very easy. Okay, so with this we complete off with chapter number 15. Thank you.